Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you some simple yet very effective shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve 18 to speed up your editing. For this I've already opened a new project and I'm going to start with the shortcut to zoom in or out of your timeline. On Mac this would be Command and the plus or the minus sign. To zoom in it's plus, so Command plus plus. As you can see, we zoom in, Command plus minus, we zoom all the way out. On Windows, this would be Control and the plus or the minus sign. Okay, next thing is the vertical zoom. For Mac and Windows, it's the same shortcut. It would be Shift and then just scroll around. So hold down Shift and then, as you can see, it gets smaller or bigger, how you like it. Next one is the horizontal zoom. On Mac, this would be Option, hold down Option and then just scroll around like this. And this does the same as Command and plus or minus sign. On Windows, this would be the Alt button and then just scroll around. All right, now to another shortcut. And this is about moving the playhead 1 second later or earlier. For this, on Mac or Windows, just hold down Shift and then click the right or the left arrow. As you can see, it moves 1 second. I'm holding down Shift and the right arrow. And to move the playhead 1 second earlier, just hit Shift and the left arrow. Like this. It moves 1 second at a time. And if you want to move the playhead to the end and start of the clip, just use your up arrow or your down arrow to get to the beginnings and endings of the next clip. Up arrow to the left, down arrow to the right. Okay, that was a little hack on some simple yet very effective shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve 18 to speed up your editing. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. As always, if you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.